I got a comment from one of our newest subscribers, Miss Watt. Shout out to Miss Watt, guys, because she's new to the channel, but she just subscribed. She's very engaging. She liked the videos and leave comments. So I really appreciate that. I know there's a lot of people who enjoy my videos, but you guys, you don't subscribe, you don't like the videos, you don't leave comments, and I would really appreciate if you would do that for me, guys. And thank you so much to everyone who's been very engaging. I really appreciate that. I really try to leave to reply to your comments as soon as possible. But Miss Watt writes, thanks for the videos. Kindly do one on how to navigate the TradingView platform. So that's what this video is all about. Today we're going to talk about TradingView. So I'm going to leave a link to TradingView underneath this video. Once you click that link, it's going to bring you to this TradingView screen. Now, the first thing that caught my eye about TradingView is their slogan, look first, then leap. I really like that, because they really live up to that, man. They really let you look first before you can leap. But once you get to this screen here, all you have to do is click get started, and you can see TradingView, it's $0 forever, which means you can use this platform absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything. But I do have to mention that they do have some paid plans if you want to take your game to the next level. They've got essential plan, plus plan, and premium plan. And as you can see, these are the prices here. This is on a monthly basis, but you're gonna pay this as a once-off fee, which amounts to $155.40, and their plus plan is $299.40. Their premium is $599.40. But I really like to be realistic and keep it real on this channel, guys. I know a lot of my OGs, you guys are not in a position to be paying $599.40 for a TradingView platform. So if you check there, this thing is on annually. We're just gonna click that and it's gonna shift to monthly. So these are the monthly prices. As you can see, they are bumped up a bit, because if you pay annually, you're gonna save 16%, which amounts to 2 months free on any platform that you choose here. But if you click monthly, then these are the prices that you're gonna pay. Instead of paying $12.95, you're gonna be paying $14.95, and you get 30 days free on all these platforms here. So these are the benefits that you get on the essential plan. You get to add 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators per chart. You can get up to 10k historical bars, 20 price alerts. You know, I don't want to waste your time with this, guys. You can just pause and start reading the difference between these plans here, and then just pick one that works for you. But if you're a real hustler and you don't have anything to your name, of course you can start up for free. You just need to click sign up here, and then you're gonna come to the screen here. So you can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter. You can use Yahoo, you can use Apple, you can use LinkedIn, and you can also sign up using your email address. So let's click Google, because I really like signing up with Google. It's less hassles and everything like that. So if you already have a Google account, you just need to enter your email address there. I'm just gonna enter my email address, and you can do the same on your side, right? I hope you already done this, guys, but if you haven't, then this is the sign up process, and then you just punch in your password. Thank God nobody can see my password, because you know there's a lot of weirdos online, guys. But once you do that, well, it's gonna prompt you to accept their terms and conditions and everything like that. It's just that I already have an account with TradingView, so this is why it comes here. But once you accept their terms and conditions, this is a screen that you're gonna come to, and you're gonna see their plans once again, and all that good stuff. Now this is where a lot of people get confused, because when you get here, you don't know what to do. Right now, when you get to this screen here, you just need to click the search button, and then you can go to any pair that you like. Now I like DXY, so we're gonna click DXY, and if you can just navigate to this platform with me, guys, just do exactly as I do, right? So you're gonna click the DXY there, and it's gonna take you to the DXY chart. When you get here, you're gonna have a volume indicator underneath here. I just want to show you how to remove that, because I don't like the volume indicator. I don't like using any indicators, to be honest with you, and I will show you how to navigate that. Come on, man, can we add the volume indicator up in here? Okay, anyway, it doesn't want to add the volume indicator. I don't know what's going on. Is my network on here? Yeah, we're on. Okay, so nonetheless, you're gonna have to remove the volume indicator, guys. Let's add a random indicator so that you can see that I'm gonna add a moving average, or that moon phase, or whatever that is. Okay, so you're just gonna have to go to that volume indicator and you're gonna right click. Once you right click, it's gonna have a remove indicator, so you're just gonna navigate to this remove indicator. You're gonna remove that and you're gonna have a clean chart like that. Now when we look on the right hand side, there's a lot going on here. We just need to remove a lot of this. I don't trade indices, and if you're still new, I wouldn't recommend indices. They're very heavy, and you won't be able to afford that. So you're just going to click to remove that. So just remove everything here, and then we're going to add the charts that we like, right? So we're going to remove everything here, and then we're going to add let's start with the DXY. As we click what we are adding here, you see it's going to show up on this window here. So we're going to add the DXY, we're going to add the Euro USD, and the next chart that we okay, I don't like the FXCM one because their prices are a bit different than the most brokers, right? So let's go back again. So we're going to click that, and then I'm going to add this Euro USD, which is Owanda. Where's that one? Where's Owanda? Come on, guys. Where's Euro USD from Owanda? There we go. So I need you to add this one here from Owanda. If you click this one with FXCM, you're going to see your chart is going to look a little bit different than any broker that you are using. So I wouldn't recommend that. So just click the one that takes the prices from Owanda. So we're going to add that one from Owanda, and as you can see, it's added there. The next pair that we're going to add is the GBP USD, also from Owanda. Let's just type GBP USD. There we go, from Owanda. So we're gonna add that one. The last chart that we're gonna add is the New Zealand dollar USD NZD, and it's also from Owanda. So we're gonna add that. That's all we need. Those are the only 4 pairs that we need. We need the DXY, the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and the New Zealand dollar USD. I'm sure you guys have been watching my videos. You know why I trade those pairs, because they are directly correlated. So whatever the DXY is doing, all these pairs are going to be doing the opposite. But this is not a strategy video. I just want to show you how to navigate the platform. So once you've done this, guys, this is all you need to focus on. You're going to fix your eyes on the right hand side, and you're going to fix your eyes on the chart. Now when we look here on the bottom, we've got our dates here. I don't know if you guys did economics, but we've got what we call the y-axis and the x-axis, that supply and demand chart. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I remember that very well. Let me just draw it for you guys. This is the supply and demand chart, right? And then we have the equilibrium point here. I don't know how many of you guys remember that, but yeah, this is what we have actually here. We have the dates here, and then we have the prices here on this side. This is exactly what it's like here on this chart. I don't want to confuse you guys. Let me remove my beautiful drawing there. But we've got the dates here, and then on the right hand side we've got our prices here. And prices are very important, guys, because trading is the game of price. The big banks and the big institutions, they are always chasing the price. So we can draw our tools here and all that good stuff, but the most important thing that we need to focus on is the price. When we look on the left here, we've got our drawing tools. This is where we find our tools. The first one here, you see, we're going to find your trend lines. If you click this mini thing here, it's going to give you this drop down menu, and then you can find your trend lines and all that good stuff. So these are all the tools that you can use. So if you click this trend line here, you see you can draw. If you don't want to use the trend line, let's say you want to use this horizontal line here, you can click that and just click back to the chart, and it's going to drop it there. If you don't want to use that, let's say maybe you want to use the, I don't know what people use, or this one here. So this one is a short line. You see this one is a horizontal line, but it goes all the way back there. This line here, it will show you where it starts. So these are just the tools here. These are the Fibonacci tools. A lot of people use Fibonacci tools and stuff like that. So this is where you're gonna find your tools. This is your drawing tool here. This is what you can use to draw and all that good stuff. But on your left hand side, this is where you're gonna find your drawing tools. That's just what I wanted to show you guys. And then we're gonna fix our eyes on the upper side here, the most important part, because this is where you can select your pairs and all that. But once you have your pairs on this window here, you don't have to keep on going back there. But this is where you're gonna find your pair. So any chart that you're gonna open, if you fix your eyes on the top left, you're gonna see that this is the pair that you're trading, and this is the time frame. As you can see, we're on a daily time frame. We can navigate to the 4-hour time frame, we can navigate to the 1-hour time frame, and all that good stuff. I already made a video about the time frames and the importance of the time frames. And then when we move to the next bar, we've got our candlesticks here. I'm not sure if people still trade the bar charts and the halo candles and the line charts and everything like that, but this is where we can find different candles like Renko and Hekenashi and everything like that. But I like to keep it simple, so I just stick to candlesticks. And the next one is the indicators. A lot of people like using indicators. I don't use indicators, guys. The only indicator that I use is market session. So if you click there on the search button and just write market session, I use this market session by Leviathan. This will show you different sessions that you are trading, right? Because we know that trading is open 24 hours, but there's different sessions that move the market mostly, or the sessions where the market moves the most. As you can see, there's Tokyo session, there's London session, there's New York session, and I only trade the London and the New York session. Sometimes when I'm up late at night, because I live in South Africa, I sometimes trade the Tokyo session, because sometimes you do find some moves on the Tokyo session. But if you want to arrange that one according to the country where you live, maybe you are up around Tokyo session, maybe you can just trade the Tokyo session. But I only trade the London and the New York session. So the indicator that you're gonna add, any indicator you're gonna add, you're gonna see your indicators here. So you're just gonna wave around this thing. You're gonna see there's a settings bar there. You're gonna click that, and then you can uncheck the sessions that you don't want. So for me, I don't trade the Tokyo session. I'm just gonna untick that, and I'll be left with the London and the New York sessions. And then you're gonna click OK, and as you can see, we have 2 sessions there. So these are the only sessions that I trade. So this will help you to see which session you are trading at that point in time. If you just come into the charts, at the glance you can see that, oh, all right, I'm looking at the London session and I'm looking at the New York session here. So that's the indicators, and this one is the indicator template. Don't worry yourself with that, I don't use that. This one is the alerts, where you can create your alert, but also you can create your alerts by right clicking. So let's say you want the market to alert you once we get to maybe this level here, this price here. If you check on the right hand side, you see that black box there, it shows us the prices. So let's say you want to trade the market when it gets there, or you want the market to alert you when it gets there, you can just right click and then you can go to create alert here, add alert. So you can just click that, and then it's gonna add an alert. You can type in the price that you want an alert from, and you can just create the alert. So when the price gets there, TradingView is going to alert you that your prices are on that level there. The next one is the replay bar. So if you're on the free mode, you can only replay means back testing, right? So if you're on the free version, or if you're on the free plan of TradingView, you can only back test using the 1 month, 1 week, and the daily time frame. That's all you can do. So you can't back test using the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute. These are the intraday time frames, right, for day traders. So if you're a day trader and you wanna back test your strategy, it's very, very important to get one of the TradingView plans. You can just start with the essential plan. I showed you guys the prices in the beginning, so you can just use the essential plan. So how you replay, you're just gonna click replay, and then you see this blue thing here. You can just go back in time, but because this is the free version, if you try to back test in this, it's gonna tell you that you need one of the plans, because the basic plan you cannot back test on that using the 1 hour time frame. So if we go back to the daily time frame, let's go back to the daily time frame, and we're gonna click replay, and then you can see you can go back in time. Let's just minimize that. you can go back in time and you can do that. And as you can see, you can start back testing from here. So you don't know what's going to happen next. You can start drawing here. Let's say you get your you can get your tools on the left hand side like I showed you guys. So let's say you want to use this rectangle here, you can just do that. And then let's say you want to sell there, and you can go ahead and use your tools depending on the strategy that you use, right? Remember, I'm not using a strategy here, I'm just doing this on the fly, right? And then you're gonna use these buttons here to navigate this thing. So this is to play. So if you click play, it's just gonna move one bar at a time, right? But if you are in a hurry and you are impatient, you can just keep clicking that, and then it's gonna keep moving. As you can see, we hit our stop loss there because we were not really trading. I just wanted to show you how this works. But yeah, this is how you can back test, guys. You just click the replay button, and then you navigate to the left, and then whichever date you want to start from, and then you can just place that in there, and then it's going to show you this thing here, and then you can start back testing. So you can move the charts up and down. This is very, very important, guys. If you want to practice your strategy, you can just grab one of the strategies that I teach on this channel, and you can just back test that and see if it works for you. It's very, very important to back test, guys. Back testing is what a soccer field is to a soccer player. You need to back test your strategy so that you can walk into the markets with that confidence, knowing that I know that this strategy works because I've taken 100 trades and I won about 60 of them, or I won 70 of them, or whatever the case may be. So this is very, very important, right? It's just that you can't backtest on the intraday time frame if you're on the free plan. So if you are ready to step up your game, guys, just make sure you pay that $12.95 or something like that, and you can be able to backtest using the intraday time frame as a day trader. This is the undo button, and this is the redo button. You know, we get this on most platforms, to be honest with you. Another thing with the tools that I didn't show you guys, I like having my tools here up here, so you can just click favorite the tools that you like using. Like for me, I like using the trend line. So you can see this star button here. So if you click that, that means you are adding this to your favorites, right? So it's gonna come here, and then you can just add all the favorites that you want, all the tools that you like. Let me just add the tools that I like using, and then you're gonna see how this works, guys. I don't like using the Fibonacci's and everything like that. So these are the long and short positions. These are very, very important. I didn't show you that, how to use that. Okay, we used it here, but the long and short positions, let me just add them to my favorite first, and then I'll show you. So if you click here, you can see it keeps adding here. It keeps adding your favorites here. This is just to access them much quicker, right? So you don't have to come back here all the time. So let me just add all my favorites here, and then I'll show you how to use those. I also like that brush there. I also like that rectangle there, and I also like this. This is to write the text, right? Just to leave a message on your charts so that when you come back tomorrow, you are not confused as to what's happening. And this ruler is to calculate pips. I also like that. But it seems like we can't add that to our favorite, but that is fine. This is just to add pips. Right, let me show you how to use that. So let's say you want to calculate how many pips from here to the current price, right? You can just click that, and then you can drag this to the upside. If you check there, the last numbers, which is 157.4 right now, and if you move up, it keeps moving. Now it's 163.4 and stuff like that. So those are your pips, right? It keeps calculating your pips to say that from here to whatever point you are, it's so many pips. So this is also very, very valuable, but you can't add this to your favorite. So you'll just keep it there and use it whenever you want. But once you have these on your favorites, I like to drag them all the way up there so that they are not on my chart and they're not disturbing me, right? So whenever you want to use these tools here, and then you can just click here. Let's say you want to use the brush, you can click here, and then you can start drawing, right? So you can see, you can find it very, very easy there. If you want to use, let's say you want to buy from where the market is now. I don't know why you would want to do that, because the market needs to retest first. But if you want to buy there, you can just click there, and then you can measure this. So this position tool, this is to buy, right? So when you want to buy, you're going to click this one that's facing up. When you want to sell, you're going to click this one that's facing down. But this just makes things so much easier. It just shows you on a visual aid how to where your stop loss is. The red part is your stop loss, and of course the green part is your take profit. So you can move this up and down. I like going for a 1 to 2. If you check there, that number that keeps moving is written risk reward ratio. Now it's 1.9. I like that number to be 2, which means every time I lose, let's say you have $100 account, or maybe you have the $30 account that I'm gonna leave underneath this video. Let's say you have $30, the free $30 that you're gonna get from XM. Let's say every time you win $1. So you can grab that if you don't wanna forget, right? So you can just write there that this is your $1. And you can also maximize this, right? Because right now you can't see it. So these are the numbers there. You can, if you click there, then you can see now it's 28, now it's 32. It gets bigger. So you can just click there. This is just to write so you can remember, right? So this means this is $1. If I lose this trade, I'm gonna lose $1, but if I win, I'm gonna win $2. You feel me? This tool here is very, very important, guys, and the opposite is true for the sells. If you want to sell, you're going to use that thing there, and then you see the red part is on top now, and then you can adjust it. You can adjust it accordingly. Go for a 1 to 2. So that means if you are selling the market, this means if you win, you're gonna win $2. If you lose, you're gonna lose $1. And I'm just making it basic. Of course, it depends on how much you are risking, right? So this can be $200, it can be 2,000, whatever the case may be, depending on how much you are risking. And then you can also use your undo button to go back, right? Very, very easy to use TradingView, guys. And when you're on the free plan, they're gonna keep showing you a lot of ads, but that shouldn't bother you, man. All you have to focus on is what you're doing right now. You need to focus on your tools, which once you add your favorite tools here, you don't have to pay much attention on this side. I'm not sure if I forgot anything. Oh, okay. And then this one is to take screenshots. So let's say you are one of my mentees, or you trade with me live on a daily basis, and we hop on a call, and then maybe you are drawing your support and resistance, and you want to send me a screenshot, right? You can just click this camera here, then you can download the image. You can also copy the image, you can also copy the link, so which means we're going to be seeing the same chart. So if we're trading live, I like sharing my link so that we're looking at the same chart, right? Especially if you're still new, so that we can just draw this. As I draw support and resistance, you can also see what's happening on your side if I'm sharing my link here. But yeah, and you can also share your images to Twitter. You can also share your charts straight to Twitter. So TradingView is really nice. If you want to record, let's say the videos that I usually make for you guys, the strategy videos, I just click here, which is publish, and I click record video. You can also publish the video. You can do a lot of things with TradingView, guys. You can do a lot of things. So yeah, man, just practice this. I just showed you the important things here. I think we went through the entire platform. It's really not difficult to use, guys. You've got your delete buttons here. You can just practice this, but the most important things are these tools that I've added here: your trend line, your long and short position, your brush here if you want to keep drawing some things, and support and resistance and everything like that, and the back testing. This is also very important. Remember, guys, if you want to back test, you click replay, then you can go back in time. Let's go back in time. You can go back in time, and then let's say you want to start here and back test forward, just to see how many trades you would have taken, and out of those trades, how many would you have won and how many you would have lost. So you can just click that, and then you see you're gonna get a lot of ads, but that shouldn't bother you, guys. You can just click that X thing to remove that ad there, and then we can continue back testing like that. You see, can continue seeing our charts like that. So that's just it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you really found some insights on this video. Miss What, thank you so much. This video was dedicated to you. And please, guys, if you have any questions, I would really appreciate you just dropping a comment. If you have any request of the video that you want me to make, just leave your comments down below, guys, and then I'll be sure to make that video for you, because I really don't know what you guys are struggling on. I mean, I can just guess that this is what my people want to see, but if you leave a comment, it's really, it makes our lives easier, just so I can make that video for you. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Oh, and before I let you go, guys, if you want to trade with me on a daily basis, just drop me an email at Afonso Analysis. I'm gonna leave that email underneath this video, guys, and then we can just trade together on a daily basis. I'll just take you by hand and show you the ropes of trading until you are profitable. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please smash the like button and leave your comments down below, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel.